Have you ever wondered why some students seem to have college figured out by week 2 while others struggle? If you're heading to college this fall, this video could save you from making some of the most common freshman mistakes. Today, I'm sharing the top 10 things every first-year student should do during their first week of college to succeed academically, make friends, and actually enjoy the experience. And trust me, some of these tips are things colleges rarely tell you. So let's get to it. Welcome back to Navigating College with me, Dr. V, where I help students survive in college, thrive, and graduate with as little unnecessary stress as possible. Now let's talk about your first week. Number 10, find every class before classes start. I know, this sounds obvious, but every year, students show up on the first day looking like they're competing in a reality show called Lost on Campus. Don't be that student. A few days before classes begin, walk your schedule. Find every building, find every classroom, time how long it takes to get between classes. And if your campus is huge, what looks like a 5-minute walk on a map may actually be a 15-minute speed walk. And here's a bonus tip. Find the nearest restroom to every class. You'll thank me later. Number 9, buy or access your textbooks early. One of the fastest ways to fall behind is waiting until week 3 to get your materials. Check your syllabus immediately. Compare prices, look for rentals. Are there digital versions, library copies? Are there open educational resources? Many professors assign readings before the first major assignment. Students who get materials early start the semester with momentum. The students who don't are usually borrowing screenshots from classmates at 11:47 p.m. Number 8, learn how to use your learning management system early. Canvas, Blackboard, Moodle, whatever your college uses, master it. Research consistently shows that students who regularly engage with course materials and announcements are more academically successful. Translation: the syllabus isn't hiding from you. The due dates are posted. Learn where everything is. Number 7, introduce yourself to one professor. Just one. You don't need a dramatic speech. You don't need to become best friends. Simply say, "Hello, Professor. My name is Sarah, and I'm excited to be in your class." That's it. Research shows students who build faculty relationships are more likely to stay enrolled and graduate. Also, professors write recommendation letters and can open research and potential career opportunities for you. Not your Netflix account, not your gaming console, your professors. So start building those relationships now. Number 6, join one club during the first month. Research on student engagement consistently finds that involvement increases belonging and persistence. Translation: students who find their people tend to stay. You don't need to join 15 clubs, just one. Whether it be cultural organizations, academic clubs, student government, service organizations, intramural sports, anything that connects you to other students will help you persist. College becomes a lot easier when you stop walking through it alone. Number 5, learn where campus resources are. Here's something many students discover until it's too late. Successful students ask for help early. So find where the tutoring centers are located, writing centers, academic advising, career services, counseling services, financial aid office. You may not need them today, but when a challenge comes up, you'll already know where to go. Think of this as creating your emergency contact list for college success. Number 4, sit near the front. I know, some of you just rolled your eyes, but hear me out. Research consistently shows students who sit closer to the front tend to be more engaged and perform better academically. Also, fewer distractions. It's hard to focus when someone in row 12 is shopping online for Halloween costumes during a chemistry lecture. Give yourself every advantage. Number 3, create a weekly schedule immediately. Not a mental schedule, not I'll remember it schedule, an actual schedule. Block out class time, study time, work hours, exercise, meals, sleep. One of the biggest transitions from high school to college is freedom. The challenge? Freedom without structure can become chaos. The students who manage their calendars usually manage their grades. Number 2, make 3 new connections. Notice I didn't say make best friends, just connections. Talk to classmates. Introduce yourself in your residence hall or apartment. Exchange contact information. Study groups and friendships often start with one simple conversation. And here's the research. A strong sense of belonging is one of the strongest predictors of college persistence. You don't need everyone to know your name. You just need a few people who are glad they do. And number 1, schedule study time before you need it. This may be the most important tip in the entire video. Don't wait until you're struggling. Most successful students study consistently before problems appear. Here's a good rule. For every hour in class, plan for 2 to 3 hours of study time each week. College isn't harder because students are less capable. It's harder because nobody is checking whether you did the work. You are now the manager, employee, and CEO of your own education. And here's a bonus tip they rarely tell you. Take pictures of important documents. Your schedule, student ID, parking permit, financial aid information, advisor contact information, important deadlines, and even your assignments. When something goes wrong, and eventually something will, remember canvas crashing? You'll have everything at your fingertips. Future you will think present you is a genius. Here's some final thoughts. Your first week doesn't need to be perfect. You don't need to have your entire life figured out. You don't need to know your major, your career, your soulmate, or your retirement plan. Your goal is simple. Show up, get connected, build good habits, ask for help when needed, and keep moving forward. Because college success isn't about being perfect. It's about making small, smart decisions consistently. If this video helped you, hit the like and subscribe button to Navigating College with me, Dr. V, for practical, research-based college success strategies. And next, watch my video, 5 steps to choosing the right college major. Now that you've started your first week, let's make sure you're taking the right classes. Thanks for watching. And remember, you've got this. And I'll see you in the next video.